What's up, busybodies? Maricris here again with another 5-minute workout for you. Full body workout, like I said, one round, give me everything you got. 1 minute on, 15 seconds on, and then it's up to you. Are you gonna do it twice, 3 times, 4 times, whatever? Make it your own, okay? Per usual, we are starting on the ground. We're going classic, we're going traditional crunches. I got my handy dandy timer here. 1 minute on. It has officially commenced. Take it down to the floor. Traditional crunches. Feet planted. Light fingertips behind the ears, and let's take it up. Now, while crunches seem to be the most basic thing, I have to say, it's one of those exercises that are just taken for granted. You'll see like heavy hands behind the neck. Nope. That's why I say light fingertips right behind the ears and lift up. Chin up, lift up and away, otherwise you're here. Good, 1 minute on. Should really feel it engaging here. I love ab burn. I think that's probably my favorite burn out of all workouts. Everything else kind of blows. I'm just kidding, it doesn't blow, it's all good, but I love when my core feels super tight. So we're gonna finish out that minute. Exhale at the top, and that's time. 15 seconds off. Okay, coming up, we've got static lunges. If you have a mirror, use it to your advantage. Otherwise, one leg forward, one leg back. We're gonna split it up 30-30. Okay, on the toes here, drop that back knee down 90 degrees. Whoop, squeeze that core so you don't fall over like me. Good. Straight up and down. Pushing through that front heel. Tuck those hips here. Up and down. Time check. Switch. 30 seconds. And it's burning. Yep. It starts to burn. You gotta check in. Keep at a good form. Ooh, come on, timer. Has to be coming, I feel it. Come on, all the way up. Push through that heel. Ah, there it is. Okay, perfect. All right, quads are burning. Taking it back down to the mat. We got glute bridges, working on that butte. Feet are down, arms by side. Okay, line them up straight and press up through those glutes. Squeeze the core and the glutes at the top. While people say these moves can be easy sometimes, you do anything long enough, it all starts to burn. So that's why we got 5 minutes here. Just full intensity the entire time. It's like a good pump up before you go out. You just want to feel nice and tight everywhere. Just get a little pump in. Exhale at the top, same thing, pushing through the heels. Busy people can find time to work out too. Just gotta make it work for your lifestyle. Yes. And time. 15 seconds off, flipping it over. We got swimmers, okay? So kind of like a Superman in the same position here. But we're gonna flutter kick. Is that the right term? I'm actually a horrible swimmer, so I could have that wrong. Take it down, time is on. Next stays neutral. Little coordination here. Get those quads off the ground. It should be burning with all that we've been doing already. This is why we say everything counts. It all adds up. Woo! Focus on that floor. Okay, come on. Push with me here. Woo. Keep going. It's coming. And time. Oh, relax. It should feel nice and tight back there. 15 seconds. We are already on our last one. We got seal jacks. Arms are coming up and over. Okay, and then you're alternating legs at the bottom. Okay, let's go. Time is on. If you don't feel like you have that much coordination, I don't hold it against you. You can just like do out and in, like jumping jacks, or if you need a modification, step out. Whole point, just keep moving. Move, move, move. Keep that core tight as well. Don't like start leaning in your back, it gets crazy. Core forward, or pelvis tucked, you're in control. Woo. Stay strong in that form all the way. Don't let those arms start to hang out down here. Keep them at level. This circuit is complete. Whew. 5 minutes is all I asked of you. And like I said, it is up to you if you want to add 2 more rounds, make it your own workout. There's so much time, and usually, if you're anything like me, once you do the first 5, you kind of realize you have a little bit more time. So, like I said, Busy Bodies is about mindset, food, and move. So sometimes you just got to get yourself to work out that first 5 minutes. Mindset check, next workout in. Food, don't waste all the work you did. Put some good fuel in your body, and move. You took care of that with me. Thank you so much. Remember, it is not about perfection, it is about progression. Respect and love your body for all that it does for you. Keep this going, okay? I will see you in the next workout because there's more to come. Whew.